How to get well. Gift baskets. A get well gift basket is a thoughtful way to show care and support for someone recovering from an illness, surgery, or a difficult time. These baskets can be customized with comforting, uplifting items to brighten someone's day. Here's a complete guide to help you choose, assemble, or purchase the perfect get well gift basket. Determine the recipient's preferences and needs. Before selecting or creating a basket, consider the recipient's preferences, dietary restrictions, and specific needs. Age, child, adult, senior. Health condition, such as allergies, dietary restrictions. Interests, books, puzzles, snacks. Choose the right theme for the gift basket. Different themes can make the gift more personalized: comfort and relaxation, cozy blankets, socks, tea, and aromatherapy items. Snack and treat basket. Healthy snacks, cookies, chocolates, and fruit. Entertainment basket. Books, magazines, puzzles, or crafts. Spa and self-care basket. Bath bombs, lotions, candles, and skincare products. Kids get well basket. Coloring books, small toys, stickers, and fun snacks. Decide whether to buy or DIY. You can either purchase a pre-made basket or create a personalized one yourself. Buying a pre-made basket, convenient and professionally arranged. Available at gift shops, online retailers, and specialty stores. Creating a DIY basket allows for full customization, can be more cost-effective. Choose the basket and presentation style. The presentation matters as it adds to the gift's charm. Traditional wicker basket, classic and reusable. Themed container, a decorative box, tote bag, or storage bin. Gift box or crate, elegant and practical. Decorate the basket with tissue paper, ribbons, or cellophane for a polished look. Select the basket contents. Fill the basket with a thoughtful mix of items based on the chosen theme. Comfort basket, soft blanket or throw, cozy socks or slippers. Herbal tea selection, scented candle or essential oil diffuser. Snack basket, fresh fruit or dried fruit. Herbal teas or hot chocolate packets. Crackers, granola bars, and nuts. Chocolates or cookies. Entertainment basket, crossword puzzles or Sudoku books. A good book or e-reader gift card. Adult coloring books with markers. A small game or puzzle. Spa and self-care basket, bath bombs and salts. Hand and foot cream. Lip balm and face masks. Aromatherapy candles. Kids get well basket. Coloring books and crayons. Puzzle books or sticker sets. Stuffed animal or plush toy. Fun snacks like fruit gummies. Add a personal touch. A handwritten note or a personalized message can make the gift more special. Include a heartfelt message to uplift the recipient's spirits. Where to buy Get Well. Gift baskets. Local gift shops. Support local businesses and find unique options. Florists. Many florists offer gift baskets with flowers and treats. Online retailers. National gift basket companies provide delivery services. Pharmacies and supermarkets. Convenient for pre-made, budget-friendly options. Consider delivery options. If you can't deliver the basket in person, many companies offer delivery services with tracking and customizable messages. Budget considerations. Prices vary depending on size, content, and customization. Basic basket, $25 to $50. Mid-range basket, $50 to $100. Luxury basket, $100 to $200 plus. A Get Well gift basket is a thoughtful, meaningful gesture that brings comfort and positivity to someone who isn't feeling their best. Whether you buy one or create your own, the effort and care you put into the gift will undoubtedly make a positive impact.